What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best beard trimmers of 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Link the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. We'll kick off toadies. Number 5. King C Gillette Beard Trimmer. A cordless design can actually be safer too, and that's because you're less likely to suddenly lose power because you've yanked the cord out of the wall accidentally. If you lose power like this, the blades will stop moving and catch on the hair. The constant power supply of the King C Gillette prevents this from happening and can give you a smoother, more pain-free shave. Rechargeable battery providing 50 minutes of trimming time per charge with no performance. Along with the 4D design, the head of the Style Master pivots vertically. This allows it to contour to every angle of your face. Again, this lets the blades cut the hair in one pass, saving you time, since you don't have to go over the same place over and over again. The King C Gillette Style Master Beard Trimmer includes 3 combs of different lengths, 1 mm, 3 mm and 5 mm. In practice, this gives you 4 cutting lengths because you can also use the trimmer without any comb at all to get a skin close shave or stubble, depending on the pressure you apply. Although a lot of trimmers on the market are water resistant, it's actually hard to find a beard trimmer that's totally waterproof. The King C Gillette Style Master Beard Trimmer is waterproof, and a waterproof design has 2 main advantages. Number 4. Hatteker Beard Trimmer Kit. The all-in-one trimmer for your choice of beard, hair, body, face and nose styling with 16 pieces for all your trimming needs. Slide switch for precision trimmer, cutting length fine-tuning. Easy to use the stainless steel moving and standing blades with precision gap, deep close to the skin, more pruning and low friction heat, doesn't produce high temperature scalded your skin. Rechargeable battery delivers up to 90 minutes of run time per charge by only about 1.5 hour charging. The Hatteker Multi-Grooming Kit automatically adapts to any voltage between 100 V and 240 volts. You can take it even if you are traveling abroad. It's small and portable. Waterproof for in-shower use and easy cleaning. For best results, let it dry naturally and take on protective cover after each use. Number 3. Walla Qua Blade. Extreme Precision Blade Ultra Close for shaving or edging like a pro. Use in accordance with the instructions. If you are not comfortable with a close-cutting precision blade, we recommended our other Wahl beard trimmers with traditional blades. Versatile wet-dry use washable showerproof design with our patented low-noise, extreme precision self-sharpening blades provide an ultra-close superior cutting experience for all hair and beard lengths without sacrificing cutting power or speed. Complete grooming system. 3 different multi-purpose attachments are perfect for all facial hairstyles. Extreme Precision T-Blade, Rotary Personal Trimmer and Detail Trimmer. Long-lasting battery. The Walla Qua Blade has a charge time of 60 minutes and up to 3 hours battery life, and best waterproof. Worldwide voltage. This trimmer can be used anywhere, whether domestically with 110 V or internationally with 220 V. Our long-lasting rechargeable battery makes this trimmer the perfect choice for travel, home use, or business trips. Number 2. Bevel Pro Trimmer and Clipper. Bevel Snap Lock Modularity. Go from clipper to trimmer by simply snapping on/off the included hair clipping and trimmer blades. No tools are ever required. Bevel Dial LED Display. All new LED Smart Display delivers precise gap adjustments from 0.0 to 2.5 mm in 0.1 mm increments. Bevel Power Fade Gap Control. More precise cuts happen with our advanced leverless gap adjustments. Our powered gap adjustment system opens and closes the blade at the touch of a button. Bevel pivot lock magnetic guards. Powerful neodymium magnets keep the guards on securely during use. Includes number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 guards. Cordless consistent power. With up to 4 hours of battery life, never have low battery anxiety again. Bevel blade. Stainless steel blades with graphite coating reduces friction and prolongs blade life. Number 1. Philips Norelco All-in-One. All-in-one trimmer for beard, head, body, and face hair styling. 23 pieces for all your trimming needs. Maximum precision with dual-cut technology includes 2x more self-sharpening blades that remain after 5 years of use. Lithium-ion rechargeable battery delivers up to 5 hours of runtime per charge. To deliver maximum torque and power, the trimmer includes a full metal motor and a drivetrain that's been reinforced with tempered steel. Our unique cutting guards are reinforced with ultra-strong fiberglass material to prevent bending and buckling, ensuring an even trim every time. Series 7000 multi-groomer, 1 travel pouch, 5 attachments, 14 guards. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.